Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about JavaScript class and object. JavaScript classes and object. What is an object in JavaScript? What is an object in JavaScript? That means an object is a collection of properties and methods. An object is a collection of properties, that means variables, methods, that means functions. Okay, it represents a real world entity. Okay, simple object. Example, script tag, let student is equal to name Ravi, age 22, create function, console.log, hello, my name is this name. This means current object. Okay, now we'll check. Go to browser, localhost, inspect, console, refresh. Okay, and in this to call console.log student name, and next student function to call this. Yes, Ravi. All of my name is Ravi. In this name and age properties, create is the method. This is to refers to the current object. Okay. Next, what is a class in JavaScript? Okay. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. It was introduced in ES6, that means 2015. Okay, and instead of creating objects again and again manually, okay, we use a class. Okay, next coming to creating a class. Syntax, it is class name. Class is the keyword. Class name. Class name is the class name. constructor parameters, initialize the properties, and next method name. In this method code. Okay. Next example, student class. Okay. In this, go to script tag. Class is the keyword. Student is the class name. Constructor name, age. There is two parameters. In this, this name to refers the current object. Name and this age is equal to age. Now same function name console.log. Hello, my name is this name. Okay. In this, to call s1 is equal to new is the keyword to create the objects. Ravi. And this 22 age. And second, let s2. That means second object. To student is the class name. Priya. Name age is equal to 20. Now to console.log s1.name and s1 great. Okay, now we'll check. Yes, Ravi. My name is Ravi. Ravi S1 and function name. My name is Ravi. Suppose if you take the S2, we'll check. Yes, Priya. My name is Priya. Here, to explanation for this, class student name is the blueprint. Constructor is equal to special method that runs automatically when object is created. Next, new student. New is the keyword. To create objects. Next, this to refers to current object. Okay. Next, real-time example for this. Real-time example. Same car. Script tag. Same as it is. Class is the keyword. Car is the class name. Constructor. Okay. To a special method for this. Brand is the parameter. Year. This brand is equal to brand. And same this year is equal to year. Now next to start the function name console.log. This is the brand. Car started. Okay. Now let car1 is equal to new car Toyota. Next 22 year, let car 2 is equal to new car is the class name BMW 2023 is the year. Now car 1 start. Okay, next car 2 start. Okay, we'll check. Refresh. Yes, Toyota car started, BMW car started. Now next to adding methods outside constructor. Okay, in this constructor is only for initializing the values. Constructor is only for initializing values. So method are written directly inside the classes. Now we'll check script tag. Class is the class name, person is the class name. In this constructor, name is the parameter. This name is equal to name. Okay, and same say hello, the function name returns hi is equal to plus this name. Okay, say hello name, written is the keyword. Okay, next inheritance. Okay, it is very important. One class can inherit properties and methods from another class using extends. For example, script tag, class is the class name animal, speak. Okay, console.log, animal makes sound. Okay, now to check another class, class dog extends is the keyword animal. Okay, in this bark console.log dog barks. Now to write d1 is equal to new word the keyword, and second one d1 speaker and call d1 back. Now we'll check. Yes, animal makes sound, dog bark. Next, coming to here, dog inherit from animal. Okay, this dog is the child, animal is the parent. Okay, extent is the keyword. Now finally, to getter and setter, these two used to control access to properties. For example, same script tag, class user, okay, to constructor name. This is the keyword and name is equal to name. Again, get name, same function name, return this name, okay. Now to set name, value, this underline name is equal to value. Now let u1 is equal to new user Ravi, and console.log u1.name, and u1.name is equal to Kiran. Same console.log u1.name, okay, Kiran. Okay, we'll check. Yes, Ravi and Kiran. Ravi and Kiran. Finally, to difference between class and object, and class object. Class is the blueprint, object instance of class. Logical structure, real data, created once, created many times. The simple definition of for this class, a blueprint to create objects. Object, a real instance created from a class. Thank you.